U.S. Catholic bishops gather in Baltimore for a high-profile meeting. The bishops will discuss and vote on a number of issues, including a focus on the Eucharist. The bishops are planning a Eucharistic revival in the U.S. and debating a document about church teaching on the Eucharist. Correspondent Mark Irons reports why this meeting is unique.
Let us bless the Lord.
U.S. Catholic bishops gathered together for their annual fall meeting.
And this is the first time the bishops have gathered in person since the outbreak of the global pandemic. The last time, November 2019, right here in Baltimore. And at this year's conference, a lot of attention will be focused on a document about the Eucharist.
The bishops will debate and vote on a draft document called The Mystery of the Eucharist in the Life of the Church. It focuses on the importance of church teaching on the real presence of Christ in the Eucharist, as some polls have shown Catholics don't accept it. Bishop Liam Cary, the Bishop of Baker in Oregon, says he approves of the document.
I'll vote for it. Yes, indeed. I think we have to make a statement, especially with our consideration of the Eucharistic revival. We need to get that going, and also to try to in some way to highlight the importance of fidelity to the tradition of the Church to receive communion.
The draft does not explicitly mention denying the Eucharist to any high-profile Catholics, a topic that was examined at the bishops' last meeting in June, when they approved moving forward with the document draft. The bishops will also discuss plans for a Eucharistic revival initiative.
The Eucharistic revival is a missionary project. It aims to draw our people deeper into the heart of the mystery of faith, to awaken what Pope St. John Paul II called Eucharistic amazement.
And among other business, they'll elect new chairmen for various committees and vote on new English and Spanish versions of the Order of Christian Initiation of Adults. The bishops kicked off the week with Mass Monday night at the Basilica of the Assumption. In Baltimore, Mark Irons, EWTN News Nightly.